been contributing to many such programs to spread the awareness regarding preserving our Mother Earth. Many programs such as One Mahotsav, tree plantation, e-waste recycling, and many more.
Now in the queue, we have panelists of grade 11 and 12 presenting numerous countries to enlighten us about the unsung heroes who are working tirelessly day and night to protect Mother Earth.